Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your profile picture on Facebook Messenger. There used to be a way of doing this from within the Messenger app itself, but for some reason Facebook decided to remove that option. The only way to change your profile image is now via Facebook. If you have deactivated your Facebook account, you will need to reactivate it temporarily to do this. So open up the Facebook app and tap on your profile image. Now tap on Select Profile Picture. Choose the image from your gallery. On this page, tap on Save at the top right of the screen. You can now shut Facebook or deactivate your account again and then go back to Messenger and your changes will have taken effect. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.